This video is about how I stumbled into Amazon FBA and quit my W-2 job where I was making $200,000 a year. It's also about how I flew to China because I was having manufacturer issues, and about how I'm currently selling a not one Amazon FBA account, but 2 Amazon FBA accounts, and how I currently sell in Bye Bye Baby, Bed Bath Beyond, Target, Walmart, my own website, and other vendors sell for me as well. I hope you enjoy my story.
What Logan does is help people take great ideas and execute on them.
Okay, how did I get into Amazon FBA? What was my process? What was the first thing that made me jump into it? I don't know. To be honest with you, I stumbled into it. It was not something that I was initially looking to get into. It was something that I just eventually fell into. And now I have 2 Amazon FBA accounts. And now I also sell at Walmart, I sell at Target, Bed Bath Beyond, Bye Bye Baby, other third-party vendors, my own website. I built my products and I built it beyond Amazon because I didn't want to be just at the mercy of Amazon. Now, what do I mean by that? Everyone's saying Amazon FBA, Amazon FBA. Yes, Amazon FBA is a phenomenal platform. You're gonna make a lot of money in it if you put forth the effort. Correct, 100%, you're gonna do good. I promise you, if you put the effort in it. But if Amazon deems you as doing something wrong, not someone saying, hey, you're doing something wrong, but an algorithm grabs you by mistake, your account will get locked up. It can be locked up for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. I've had hundreds of thousands of dollars locked up. Other people, if you Google search it, Amazon locked my account up, Amazon froze my funds. It's happened to thousands upon thousands of people. It's happening right now, it's gonna happen tomorrow, it definitely happened yesterday. What I'm getting at is it's inevitable, it does happen. Does it happen to everyone? No. But what I'm getting at is because it can happen, don't let them control you. Because it can happen, you need to build a brand. And that's what I want to teach. That's what I'm here for. I want to teach more than just Amazon FBA. I want to teach you about trademarks, building a solid brand, patents to protect your innovative ideas, because as you're hopping into this industry, you're going to start to realize that there's other things that are missing on certain products that maybe you can innovate on. Maybe you can make better. And if you make it better and you go to sell it, and someone else sees that you did a good job, they're gonna take your idea. Unless you patent it, unless you copyright it, unless you protect it. So that's what I wanna talk about. Let's talk about how to protect all of these ideas. Did I go to college for this? No, I don't think there's a college for Amazon FBA or innovative ideas like this. I actually went the military route. I didn't go to college at all. I did about 4.5 years, very proud of it. And if you're a veteran watching this, thank you for your service. But when you get out, you know, I tried looking for a good job. And when I was in, they was like, oh, as soon as you put you're a veteran, anybody will hire you. No, actually, it's not the case. They were like, do you have a college degree? No, I didn't have a college degree. Do you have a high school degree? Yeah, I had a high school degree. I'm sorry, come back with a college degree. So I found myself bouncing around sales job to sales job, trying to find that right thing. Eventually, because of my drive, and I think your drive as well, which is why you're watching this, because of my drive, I knocked on a door of a Fortune 500 company. I submitted my application and they denied me, of course, because I didn't have a college degree. The computer, the algorithm, again, always fighting algorithms. The algorithm kicked me out because I didn't have a college degree. So I found out who that sales manager was. I got his number, I called him up. I said, I gotta come down there and talk to you. I talked to him. He said, look, your drive, your hunger, I gotta bring you in. I got the Fortune 500 company job. I'm making good money. I was happy, I had good money. But I had a quota every month. I had to hit that goal because every time I did good, hey, good job, now do more. Hey, good job last year, do more, do more, do more. Stress level through the roof, trying to do more and more and more to keep that job because I was afraid to lose it because I had that mortgage, I had that nice car, I had that good lifestyle, didn't want to lose it. So then I found myself saying, I don't want to be at the mercy of someone else. I want to set my own destiny as you do. So then I said to myself, I have to find something else. So then I started searching online to see what I could do. I started doing drop shipping as everyone else said they were doing drop shipping. It started working out for me, except for the fact that When I found that good drop shipper, that drop shipper would then mess up on some products, would then give me a bad review, and then I'd lose a bunch of money because then that bad review would affect my company. So I was, again, at the mercy of someone else. I didn't like that. So then I said, let me try to get to Google PPC, pay-per-clicks. You know, maybe see if I can make some money on that. So I started building websites, and I'd put the Google PPC click codes on there. And if someone came to my website, they clicked it, I'd make money. Okay, I started making some traction on that. Good, but then I'm always fighting, trying to get up and down on the search pages. And then eventually, one day, again, as I'm in this trenches, and I'm in the trenches of learning and Googling and YouTubing and doing all this research, trying to find what to do, all of a sudden I saw a solution to a problem. Dink! The light bulb went off in my head. And I found a product that I patented. I was able to patent this product and protect myself in the United States, which was phenomenal. I'm excited about it. I'm like, okay, now I'm gonna go to Alibaba.com, as I've always been researching Alibaba.com, so I find my drop shippers at all that stuff. And I find someone, and I'm like, here's my product. I had them sign an NDA, and I had all the protocols on what to do. And I say, here's my product and what I wanna do. I send them some money. They start sending some products back. Every time they send the product to me, there's always a difference. I'm like, why is it always coming out different? If it's the same factory and it's the same mold, why is it always coming back different? And it turns out that that person I was working with was not a manufacturer. They were a broker, sitting in a little broom closet, taking my money, then taking my patent, which is a US patent, by the way, it's no protection in China. But I had him sign an NDA, but it doesn't matter because they're not the factory. They're a broker. They're running around to 5 different other factories, and then they're bidding and have them use old material and have them do everything that kind of get the price down to satisfy me, but I'm having less quality product. And then I'm also having my innovative idea, my patented product, in the hands of these other manufacturers who then were turning around and reselling it to other buyers for them to sell. So then I'm fighting people on my end. How's everyone getting my product? How's everyone getting my product? I went the backwards way. I spent millions of dollars between marketing and patents and innovative ideas and everything like that. I've spent testing and trying all these different ways. And then I got to the point where I said, you know what? I'm tired of battling people. I hopped on a flight. I flew to China. I don't speak Chinese. I downloaded an app to my phone and I, hi, how you doing? And it would translate for me. I ended up meeting a nice couple out there who's now part of my team today. We do a lot together. They ended up teaching me the ins and outs of how to work with China. Now I'm selling my product on my own site. I've learned the ins and outs of Facebook, how to deal with Facebook. First it was pictures, then it was videos. And then I learned how to do the proper marketing with that, how to drive traffic, how to retarget people and remarket them and grow my business so I control it. This is good, but then I also learned that I can't avoid that 900-pound gorilla in the corner, which was Amazon. So I joined them. I joined Amazon. At first I did seller fulfilled. I did seller fulfilled because, again, I was so scared of being at the mercy of anybody else that I wanted to control it myself. And then I learned the perks of why I wanted to go FBA, because it gave me more time in my day. It allowed more marketing channels to open up. It allowed them to take care of the customer issues, and so many other avenues. It allowed me to have protection from people that would try to come in and take over my products. So it opened up a lot of different avenues. So I hopped into Amazon FBA. And then my business started to triple and grow and grow and grow. It really got exciting. And from there, then take the social proof of that and then go ahead and start contacting big box companies. And then say, look, my social proof here is Amazon, my sales reports are here, and I was able to start banging on the doors, kind of like I did with that Fortune 500 company when I got my first job for them. Just like that. And I started learning the things not to do and things to do to also get into these big box stores. And I started learning the things not to do and the things to do to become successful on Amazon, to the point where now I have 2 Amazon FBA accounts. And I've been learning all of this for years now. And what I basically want to put in a nutshell is I've spent millions learning this, and I've proved it. I proved it, and I want to share that. I want to share that with you. I want to share that with a group of people, like-minded people like you and me. And the name of that group is called FBA Innovators. Why? Because it's more than just FBA. It's also about innovating. It's more than just doing private labeling, white labeling, whatever you want to call it. It's about innovating, because if you're just private labeling and white labeling, everyone else is going to do the same thing as your trend starts to catch on. But if you can innovate and then protect that innovation, you're going to be ultimately successful. All right. I've also created a cheat sheet to help you with what private labeling is, how trademarks work, and how patents work. There's a link below. Click on that cheat sheet. I'm more than happy to share it with you. And I hope you take the next step and you join my group, FBA Innovators, as well as I hope you keep learning from me. Hit the subscription button, and I'll see you in the next video.
That's what it's all about. Great ideas married with executional skills, and that's what Logan John is all about.